Hello everyone, I am Nikita Sohane, Assistant Professor, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. The topic for today's video lecture is double cone mixer. Double cone mixer is also known as double cone blender, tumbler mixer or segregating mixer. It is used for the mixing operation in different industries. We are talking for the pharmaceutical industries, so it is used for the mixing of dry products. Many of products like tableting capsule procedure require the proper mixing, so double cone blender is used for achieving this mixing operation. Uses of double cone blender. This double cone blender is used for injectable processes, for tableting, for blending, for pre-mixing, for capsules. It is also be used for mixing the API with the our excipients, active pharmaceutical ingredient can be mixed with starch, cellulose, lactose, fructose. We also use this double cone blender in other industries also, like food industry, to mix the various spices and flavors together. Applicable industries. Double cone blender can be applicable to following industries like food industry. It is also used for food industry, as we studied in last slide. It is used for mixing of spices and flavors. For pharma industry, it is used in tableting procedures. It is used for the formulation of dry powders. It is used for the formulation of oral syrups for reconstitution. So wherever dry mixing is needed in pharmaceutical industries, double cone blender can be used. In chemical industry, it is also used before the formulation of any chemical reaction, or before formulating a new chemical. Number of ingredients are to be added, so this can be achieved by double cone blender. For mineral industry, it is also used guar gum industry and starch and cellulose. In these all industries, double cone blender can be used. How double cone mixer is designed and work. Basically, the double cone mixer is designed with two conical shaped section which are attached with a 45-degree slope. Both the ends of cylinder are in opposite direction, and it is look like a cylindrical vessel. So it has two type of finished inlet and outlet, and it has a loading orifice serves as a inlet through which solid are loaded into the mixture. That means through the orifice which solid we have to mix is loaded in the mixture with the help of that orifice. Once the operation is completed, we can discharge our product from the butterfly knob, which is hand operated and can be used for loading and discharging the material. See, this is the double cone blender which we are using for pharmaceutical or any other industries. It has the capacity of 50 liters to 3500 liters. You can see on diagram the blender, the cone is mounted in a shaft, and the rod in which the cone is mounted is attached to a motor. So when we start the operating this equipment, the motor rotates, and by the rotation of this motor, the blender is rotated. It can be fully automized, or the speed and the time of operation can be easily adjusted or set by the machine. Silent features. There are various feature of double cone blender, that is, as its both ends are smooth, so homogeneous mixing is achieved and effortless discharge is achieved by opening and closing of butterfly valve. As per customer demand, all the contact part can be fabricated by these two polymers, that is AISI 304 and AISI 316 material. So the chances of corrosion is minimal or prohibited, as the cone is made up of metal, so there will be the chances of corrosion and the contamination of our product. So if we are demand to fabricate the parts of this blender, so the corrosion chances is reduced. Virtually maintenance free machine, that means the maintenance is free of cost, as it required very minimum maintenance which is negligible. Mixture is single shaft or double shaft with adjustable mixing pedals, so the mixing speed can be adjusted properly. Manually operated butterfly valve can be used for discharging or feeding the material. All moving parts covered with SS304 covers, so that there is no chances of moving part damage. Safety guard is made up of SS304 pipes provided in front of the machine, which is limit switch. All the safety guards are safe in this machine. Control panel is also fabricated, so digital timer, current measurement meter and phase indication, all this can be achieved in double cone blender. As per customer required, machine can be made available either with left side drive or right side drive. So it is useful for all the persons. If you want the left side driver or right side driver, machine's driver can be easily changed. Speed reduction is easily achievable due to use of worm gear and variable frequency driver. There are present of worm gear, so that we can change easily speed or reduce speed very frequently. Inside and outside surface cone is completely mirror finished, so there is no chances of dullness. Machine structure is built using AISI 304 material, so that our machine parts are very good and the structure is properly finished. All safety guards are covered in GMP model. GMP is good manufacturing process, as we are manufactured in a pharmaceutical company, so we have to follow all the GMP and CGMP guidelines. So for that purpose only, the machine parts are and safety guards are made up as per the norms given in GMP models. Next, factors to be considered while designing the mixture. There are various factors which are to be considered and required to take in consideration. So the partition pertinent to have that information. And first and foremost property, material being mixed, more important factor. First of all, in the manufacturing of any double cone blender or designing a double cone blender, we have to achieve the mixing property. Mixing index should be proper. Important property are bulk density, cohesiveness, adhesiveness, surface characteristic, moisture content of solid, density, viscosity, surface tension, liquid added, flow ability, angle of repose. These all properties of drug and excipient should not affect the machine or our operation. So we have to design this machine in this proper manner, so that our properties, these all properties of drug or excipient cannot be affect the equipment designing or equipment working. Thank you everyone.